My name's Lauren, and I'm the Education Assistant at the Environmental Cooperative at Vassar Barnes. Today, we're going to learn about plant and animal identification and learn about the iNaturalist app. All you're going to need is your phone to download the iNaturalist app, take a picture, and assess the suggestions that iNaturalist gives you. Let's get started. Once you've downloaded and signed up for the iNaturalist app, you should then explore it. Under the Me tab, you will see all of your observations. If you just signed up, there won't be any. You can also click on an observation and see what the status of the observation is. For instance, this Japanese barberry is research grade. The Observe tab is where you'll take a picture of what you're trying to observe, or you can use the files from your camera. The More tab is where you'll find projects or guides. Under Projects, you can see what you've joined. You can also search for a project, such as the Fallkill Watershed. And you can also see what's featured and what projects are nearby. The Activities tab will show you your content and news from iNaturalist, and the Explore tab will show you where you are. Now, once you've found a plant to identify, you'll want to look at some of its identifying features. This will include the color of the flower, the height of the plant, the number of petals, the habitat that it's in. Is it close to water? Is it not close to water? You can also look at if the leaves are alternate or opposite. Now, some of these terms might not be familiar to you, but that's okay. The iNaturalist app will help you. If you do want to learn more about identifying plants and animals, we suggest looking up identification terms and learning how to use a dichotomous key. Now, let's make an observation on iNaturalist. What you're going to do is hit Observe to take a picture. Then, I want you to take a picture of the distinguishing features. You can take a picture of the petals. You can also take a picture of the whole plant. And you can add as many pictures as you'd like. Once you have clicked Observe and taken a picture, this is the screen that will appear. You can then hit the plus sign to add more pictures to help with identifying your plant. Normally the location will automatically be uploaded, but since my internet has been acting up, I'm going to use the map to zoom into my location. Then I will click Save, and the location will be uploaded. Next, I'll hit What Did You See to view the suggestions from iNaturalist. Once your suggestions have loaded, you'll want to look at a few. The first listed is the chicory. Look through the pictures and read the description to get familiar with the plant. Think about if it matches what you're looking at. Also think about things like if it grows on the roadside. Are you on the roadside? Now, to get a better description and more information, go to more info at iNaturalist.com. Under the About tab, you can find a much more detailed description of the plant. This will help you to truly identify it. It'll give you information such as how tall it is, what the leaves are like, what the flower heads are like. It'll also give you links to definitions of terms that might not be familiar to you. It'll also tell you when it flowers. In this case, it flowers July until October. You can look at the status. This is where it will tell you if it's native or endangered or an invasive. You can also look at similar species. Now, a lot of the description of the chicory matched, but let's look at a few more. The blue lettuce. This description doesn't give us much to go off of, so let's go to more info on iNaturalist.org. First, the map that comes up shows me that there aren't that many observations made in New York. That's a red flag. I'm also looking at the picture and description and it doesn't quite match. So let's go back. Let's look at one more. The blue sow thistles. So this is native to Asia and Europe. And
Also looks like it's common in Europe and Asia, but not common here. So we're going to go with the chicory. This is where you can also choose a project. Some projects will automatically be uploaded if it's in the area. Then click Share to make your observation. It will be uploaded to the iNaturalist app. You can click on your observation to see what the data quality is. Right now, it still needs more IDs from the iNaturalist community until it will be considered research grade. Congratulations! You've made your first observation.
Once your observation is confirmed by other observers on iNaturalist, your observation will become research grade. The data that you observe will be uploaded to a scientific database to be used by scientists for free. This means that your observations are going to help the health and biodiversity of your community and more. Have fun out there.